Do you think it would be relevant to set up two different PMax campaigns, one only for new customers with cold targeting and another one only focused on your own data like retargeting audiences and customer match lists?
You can. The problem is though that they're targeting and they're signaling, but they're not hard targets. Hard targets first, but then performance dictates what they do afterwards. So my opinion would be to launch a PMax campaign for cold, then use a different campaign type for retargeting. What I mean by that is start a PMax with no internal signals, no landing page views, no all visitors, no converters. Start there, make that cold as possible. Then use YouTube remarketing, use discovery remarketing. If you want to run display remarketing, you can. I hate it, but you can run remarketing displays. So your retargeting audiences, keep them isolated. And so what you've done is you've layered a degree of separation that is a hard separation, which means these campaigns are using possibly different bidding strategies, retargeting the existing customers that you can upload list-wise. And then the other one is doing really good, inexpensive, really broad-reaching cold traffic campaign. And those two will work together really well. That's the reason why you have a YouTube remarketing, an RLSA for DSA. That's the reason why our standard starting point has that cold traffic element built in, and then the way to remarket if Performance Max is not going to favor remarketing. The dynamic remarketing for video or dynamic remarketing for like display both help and hurt Performance Max in their own special way. It just really depends on account. There's no rhyme or reason that I can identify why one was working better than the other.